Okay, I'm at 711 North Washington Street. They are having a sewage backup problem from the tap to the main um, manhole. We did come out here and try to snake it from the tap right here at the road. Was unsuccessful. I did try to run the camera down it, but I could not get the water out to actually see exactly the broken pipe. Pretty much is the blockage is somewhere under the sidewalk here and going to the tap here. There's a broken pipe. The city came out the other day, last week, and they determined that they are not responsible for any line from the manhole to the house. That is the homeowner responsibility. That's what they told the tenant. HomeServe do not cover, my understanding, anything in the road on the city side. So we're just trying to figure out who's going to be responsible for repairing the broken pipe.